Da-dum, da-dum, dum, da, 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 da.
अरे उस मम्मी को देखना तो सचमुच बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. अच्छी क्लास थी, है ना? हेलो प्रोफेसर.
Hello everybody, this is Professor Rubberduckus, and today we want to explore men and women from a scientific point of view. The woman has two female talents, which a man does not have, with certain exceptions. The man looks just like the woman, only a little bit hairier.
Chewie, we're home.
And there is a male Kinder Surprise egg and a female one, which is colored pink. Pink! Women's Lib tries to ban the pink egg because they say it's sexist. Sexist!
I'll get you, my pretty.
Ah, this is bullshit. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside.
Their magic must be very powerful, or she wouldn't want them so badly.
You stay out of this, Glinda, or I'll fix you as well.
Oh, rubbish! You have no power here. Be gone.
Yeah.
I'll bide my time.
First, the male egg. There is the chocolate. Good chocolate. And there is the little surprise. Huh, what is this? Oh, it looks like a strange creature on a snowmobile.
Just try.
What men play with. Oh, it makes me so happy. And now to the female Kinder Surprise egg. And now to the female Kinder Surprise egg. Blooper. Pink. Pretty in pink.
I'll get you, my pretty. Just try.
It's the same. But it's what is inside the egg.
60 dozen eggs. 220 pounds of fruit. 370 pounds of vegetables. 540 pounds of potatoes. 200 loaves of bread. 820 pints of milk and 520 pounds of meat. The others will soon be eaten.
Moo.